Hi, I'm Simon and this is my XS650 Yamaha chopper. It's been on the road for, well, since 2005, so over 15 years now. The frame was purpose built. It's done a couple of really long trips through New Zealand, so the length of New Zealand twice. So it goes well, it's reliable. The front forks are 8" over length. The wheels have been powder coated, the front and the back. We built the front brakes, and these are still braided hose pipes, hoses. Headlight is cheapo from eBay, but I've mounted a switch for full beam and on-off for the headlight, and also there's an indicator warning flasher bulb there. Drag handlebars with 6" risers. Got an internal throttle that was built for it was sold for a 1" bars, but these are 7/8" bars, so I got it milled down and then tapped it in place and put that in. On this side there's no clutch, it's just one switch for the indicators and the horn, and that's it. The gear shift is here, and we've got a foot clutch down there, and also got a 2-into-1 inlet manifold and an Amal carburetor on the side of that, so just one Amal carb. Electrics all in the electrics box, and the only thing in here is coils and some fuses. The regulator rectifiers on this side of the battery box. There's no battery in there because it's kickstart only. Side mounted number plate on this side, and no baffles in the exhaust pipes. And that's it. Oh, clocks are mounted down here rather than on the handlebars, just to keep it really nice and clean. Who needs to know how fast you're going anyway? That's me.